dermatologist appointment. This is how my skin is looking. Still got discoloration and dry and crackness. So we about to see what they tell me. And I answer some clips and stuff of how the rest of my skin. Still got that going on. So hopefully they can give me some drugstore alternatives I can use, and like what I should and shouldn't be using. I just found out eczema is an allergic reaction as well. So it could be stuff I'm eating. And I haven't ate out in like a month. So it's 8 o'clock. I'm already backing in a gown. I'm excited. I didn't expect them to make me take all my clothes off, but I'm so happy because there's other spots and areas I need to show them. So she gave me some alternatives like changing my soap, and she gave me like a drugstore cream I could use. So I've been experimenting with other creams or whatever. So I'm gonna do a video and see if that helps with what I got going on. And I'm supposed to see her back in another month. And then like I'm gonna try and figure out how to stop my hair from getting the dandruff and stuff. I know I haven't been oiling it like I'm supposed to. So I couldn't get my medicine. The shit was $80. Well, the first time it was $80. Second time it was $40. Anyway, I got the money for that. So I'm gonna try to see her alternatives and see if that helps me out. Then I'll make another video on that. So I ended up going to the hair store because I'm planning on braiding my hair. I'm trying out this new color that I ain't never tried before.